The 2023 Ford Focus Titanium Vignale, positioned as the pinnacle of the Focus range, has seen a considerable mid-cycle refresh, refining its design and adding upscale features. This model comes from Ford's luxury sub-brand, Vignale, offering the comfort, luxury, and style that exceeds the expectations set by its more standard counterparts. The new Focus Vignale draws its power from a 1.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged four-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 181 horsepower. This is coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth transitions. The fuel economy is noteworthy, with EPA estimates of 26 mpg in city driving and 36 mpg on the highway. A sports-tuned suspension and precise steering lend it an excellent road handling quality. The exterior of the Focus Vignale boasts premium touches like satin aluminum trim, a unique grille, and LED lighting. Inside, the car showcases an elegant and comfortable environment with real wood and aluminum accents, leather upholstery, a generously sized 8-inch touchscreen, and a high-quality 10-speaker audio system. Heated front seats are a standard feature, contributing to a luxurious driving experience. A comprehensive range of safety and technology features are included, from blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert to automatic high beams and lane-keeping assist. The Focus also incorporates Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assistance features, delivering a safer and more confident drive. The cargo capacity of the Focus Titanium Vignale is decent for its class, providing 13.2 cubic feet of space with the rear seats up and up to 43.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. A hands-free liftgate adds a touch of convenience for loading and unloading cargo. With a starting price of approximately $25,000, the 2023 Ford Focus Titanium Vignale offers an affordable entry to luxury compact cars. Compared to premium counterparts like the Mercedes CLA or Audi A3, the Vignale trim brings a host of luxury features without breaking the bank. Overall, the 2023 Ford Focus Titanium Vignale is an exceptional offering, masterfully blending sporty performance, upscale aesthetics, and advanced technology features with excellent fuel economy. Its ability to deliver luxury at a more accessible price point sets it apart from its competitors. It offers an excellent value proposition for those seeking premium features in a compact, affordable package. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.